Hey friends! Enhance your vehicle's safety and security with our top-rated smart dash cams for clear recording and reliable accident documentation. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car smart dash cam in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Suvkin Car Smart Dash Cam. This versatile triple-channel system is specifically engineered to maximize your visual coverage and significantly boost overall vehicle safety for every journey you take. It features a wide-angle 170-degree front camera, a 150-degree cabin lens, and a waterproof rear camera to virtually eliminate dangerous blind spots around your car. The high-quality IPS panel ensures you get blur-free images from any viewing angle while you are monitoring the road ahead or behind. Integrated G-sensor technology is a lifesaver, automatically locking crucial footage when collisions or sudden impacts are detected, even if your car is currently parked and unattended. To keep storage management easy, the loop recording function overwrites old files at specific intervals, and the included 32 GB SD card makes it ready to use right out of the box. With superior WDR technology and 4 infrared LEDs, your night vision will be sharp and balanced regardless of how dark the environment is outside your vehicle. Next up, our second product, the AFR Car Smart Dash Cam. This feature-rich dual-camera solution is perfect for drivers who demand cinema-quality video and consistent protection for their personal or rideshare vehicles at all times. The front lens records in stunning 4K UHD with a 160-degree sweep, while the rear captures 1080p at 155 degrees for total insurance documentation coverage of any incident. Utilizing high-speed 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can transfer your saved videos to your smartphone at 8 MB per second, and the built-in GPS accurately logs your coordinates and driving speed. Navigating through settings is effortless on the large 3.59-inch IPS display, yet the device maintains a low-profile design that doesn't obstruct your view through the windshield. It includes advanced features like a 3-axis G-sensor to shield important clips and a 24-hour parking mode to monitor your car while you are away from it. Thanks to the wide f1.6 aperture and super night vision, low-light recordings remain crisp and bright throughout the night, and it includes a 64 GB card for immediate use. Coming in at number 3, the eEager Car Smart Dash Cam. This reliable dual-camera setup provides comprehensive driving coverage with a sharp 2.5K front recording and a 1080p rear feed for full road visibility in every direction. It is equipped with a high-end Starlight night vision sensor and a 6-layer glass lens to ensure your footage is usable even on pitch-black rural roads or in rainy conditions. The system features seamless loop recording for non-stop operation, and the internal G-sensor locks down collision data automatically to prevent accidental overwriting of vital evidence. For enhanced security, you can activate the 24-hour parking monitor with time-lapse mode to keep a watchful eye on your vehicle when it is parked overnight. The compact 2-inch IPS display offers a clear and intuitive interface, while the 360-degree adjustable suction cup makes installation and angle positioning extremely easy for any driver. Its minimalist and unobtrusive design ensures it stays out of your line of sight while you are driving, and it is backed by a full 1-year warranty. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Rove Car Smart Dash Cam. This premium dual-system camera delivers elite front and rear recording, ensuring the ultimate level of safety and documentation for any modern driver on the road today. The front camera captures stunning 4K detail at 30 frames per second, while the rear records in 1080p, both utilizing wide-angle lenses for maximum road visibility. Featuring the industry-leading Sony Starvis 2 sensor and a massive f1.5 aperture, it provides incredibly bright and clear visuals during difficult nighttime or low-light driving scenarios. The built-in GPS is excellent for recording your specific routes, speeds, and compass data for legal evidence or travel logging purposes. With high-speed 5G dual-band Wi-Fi, you can manage your files at speeds up to 20 MB per second through the intuitive Rove smartphone application on your device. It includes a durable supercapacitor for better temperature resistance and supports massive microSD cards up to 1 TB for endless storage space. The customized 24/7 parking mode offers time-lapse and collision detection to protect your vehicle while it is unattended in a lot. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Vuro Car Smart Dash Cam. This comprehensive high-definition recording solution provides exceptional front and rear coverage to capture every single detail of your daily drives with absolute ease. The front camera produces beautiful 4K video through a 170-degree ultra-wide lens, while the rear camera offers high-quality 2.5K recording to minimize dangerous blind spots behind you. Operating the system is a pleasure thanks to the 3.39-inch responsive touchscreen that makes reviewing your saved clips and changing settings very straightforward for any user. Utilizing the SC2336 sensor and WDR technology, this dash cam delivers crystal-clear images in any environment, accurately capturing license plates and road signs during the day or night. It comes with a free 64 GB memory card and features loop recording to ensure you never run out of space during long road trips. The energy-efficient 24/7 parking guard provides an extra layer of security when you are away, and the included cable hiding tools make for a clean, professional-looking installation. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.